how to buy chicken jockey token. So this token came under the symbol of jockey. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to go and engage with their community. Now this token is available on the screener. It created 8 days ago and increased by 200% in the last 24 hours, and also this token is trending number 8 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap and make sure of course that you have enough Solana on your wallet before going and buy this token, and click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this auto token, now click on it and click on I understand, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive all that token. Now after that, select a provider by clicking on pricing. Now click on provider and select Jupiter, for example. Click on apply and go back and click here on swap, and after that you will be able to relax the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a Jockey token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.